here we have the 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid LE, and this is almost so easy that I don't know why I'm doing this video, but I'm doing it because no one else has a video out there that I've seen so far for the headlight replacement for the 2018 Toyota RAV4. So everything's been good with this vehicle. The only thing is that it hasn't quite been 3 years yet, and this headlight has burned out. I will show you first. This one did not burn out yet. So this is the left headlight. Very easy to get to. You see? That's it. And here, just behind the washer reservoir, is the headlight for the right headlight there. I mean, and once again, easy to get to. I'm gonna do it really quick. It's gonna be a piece of cake. It's gonna be a cinch. Here they are. These are the headlights I'm gonna put in as a replacement. I will put the Amazon link below, which is a competitive price, 50 bucks. You really shouldn't pay more than 50, 55 bucks for these. That's about the going rate. For the sake of demonstration, here is what the headlights look like right now. It's kind of a yellow light, but that's what it looks like. And this one is dead. So I'm gonna go on and replace it right now. So we're gonna go for the hard one first. Press it in, twist it counterclockwise. As you can see, it is loose, and then pull it. Here's the bulb that blew out. It's no longer working. It is the yellow. We're gonna move away from the yellow, and let me show you what I did. I twisted it counterclockwise, as I told you, from here, right there. So counterclockwise, basically this way. And this comes out, right? So what I did, because I was having a hard time getting to it, you just press down on this tab. I can't film and show you this. You press down on the tab right here, okay? And just pull the bulb out. It's super easy. Now I'm gonna put it back in there, the new one, from this thing here. You don't wanna ever put your fingers on this. There's something that comes off your hands, the dirt, the oil from your hands, whatever it may be, but it can really mess these bulbs up and shorten the life of the bulbs. So you don't want to touch them under any circumstances. So you have to be super careful. So I'm gonna go on and put this one back in. This is the harder one to get to, the one that's behind this reservoir. You don't have to take anything off. You just have to reach behind it. It's not a big deal. It's very, very easy. Using the screwdriver to point it out, there are these black tabs there. You line them up, it goes in the hole. And then all you have to do is take it and turn it clockwise toward you. Just once it gets in there, just turn it. Also, it will snap when you get it back in there, okay? So I'm trying to film this for you, but I'm telling you, I'm working in a really tight spot here, and I don't think I can. But anyway, I line that up and twist it, and that's it. It's in there. And there you have it. Can you see the difference? The headlights. It's the old side. All right, now I don't know if it's just this car. Here's the deal. This one, when I turn it, okay, so right now it's in there like it normally is, but when I turn it this way, which is counter, just like the other side, I turn it like that. Now it's loose, but this is super tight right here, this cable, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna damage it. I don't know what it is, but something, actually, wait a minute. Not good to do it like this, but I did it anyway. So there it is, it's out. And once again, I'll press down on this tab here. I'll press that tab in and pull straight out on it, and it's gonna come right out. I can almost do it one-handed, but I can't. I have to put the phone down. Once again, I turned it this way, put it in, lined up the holes. Like I said, turned it back clockwise. It locks right in. It's so easy. The hardest part about getting these is this tab right here. I actually had to use some needle nose pliers just to get a good grip on that tab and press it down. But other than that, no big deal. How great these cars are, how easy it is to just handle like simple routine maintenance like changing out light bulbs, windshield wipers, things like that. The rest of this stuff, I just let Toyota deal with it, but we don't have to deal with it. We just take it in, let them run like a routine service on it, check everything out, change the oil, stuff like that. Everything goes good with this car. I highly recommend this car. I believe that when we went to buy our Toyota RAV4, that they were selling somewhere in the ballpark of 30,000 units. 30,000 RAV4s per month. That is insane. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will have another video out to you soon, whether it be a review or a tutorial of some sort or a DIY. I'm always working on it, so thank you very much.